I'm going to show you 5 websites that pay you to write articles, blog posts, and different things. And these 5 websites are less competitive. I'm also going to show you how to use Cloud AI to write this article. And most importantly, I will show you how to humanize the articles you're going to get from Cloud AI, because when you submit it, the companies are going to text it and see if it is AI generated or not. But then if you humanize it, nobody will know that you use AI to write it. So you want to make sure you watch it to the end. Keep watching, because if you miss out, you're not going to get the full process and how it works. First website is Constant Content. If you can write quality content, then you can come and apply for jobs here. Here you can write about technology, finance, lifestyle, travel, and a whole lot of different niches that you can write about. To register, just come here and then click on this place that says join the team. Then it brings you down to this page. There are 3 steps you need to complete to register with this platform, Constant Content. Account details are your personal information. You just fill out this information here. Take your time to fill it out carefully. Then afterwards, you click on continue. It will take you down to this page where you would need to do grammar tests. So they're going to test your grammar to know if truly you know about English, because you're going to be writing in English, right? Then afterwards, it will take you down to audition article. They will audition your article. That means you need to prepare an article ready. Now, what you want to do is you can use Google Gemini or Cloud AI to get an article. And I'll be giving you a gift. I'm only going to be giving those who watch this video to the end. As you're watching this video, a text will pop up. Once the text pops up, you want to put it right in the comment section. Once you put it right in the comment section, I will send you the link to download the gift. And that gift is going to really help you in your online remote job career and your writing career as well. In any of these niches, finance, healthcare, lifestyle, or any niche that you write about, just get an article ready, because they're going to be asking you for an article and they will audition it. Now you go to your Cloud AI, download it from Play Store or App Store, copy the topic that was given to you by the client. I'm going to use an example here. I will just paste it. Now this topic, it's about 10 AI tools that actually save time. Then I'm going to ask Cloud AI to write it for me by clicking on this arrow pointing up here. Now you can also connect it here. This Sonnet 5 thinking, you can also connect it. You can also click on this, but let me just make it simpler so that I don't waste time here. Now click on this, allow Cloud AI to write it for you. You are going to copy what Cloud AI gave you. Just open it and then you copy it, copy everything here. And then once you have copied everything here, then you want to make sure that you humanize it. So you go to this website, called Undetectable, click on this place that says paste your content. So I'm going to paste it here. You're going to see what I copied. And then I'll click on humanize. Look at the number of words. I'll click on humanize. Then I will allow you to humanize it for me. Now your text is being humanized. Then afterwards, all I need to do is just copy this again, right? You're going to see. So these are the areas that they worked on. Okay, these are the areas they worked on. So all I need to do is just copy this and then I can give it to the clients. So this is how you can write with AI using Cloud AI and then humanize your content. Now here, you can also come down here. Let's come here. You can also check for AI here. If you click on check for AI, you will also see if this content was written by AI, and this is what your client will check before they would be able to actually know that yes, you wrote it yourself or AI wrote it for you. Now you're going to see here that your text is likely generated, AI generated. You're going to see 99% AI. Look at it here. 99%. So you need to humanize it. All you need to do is just click on humanize. And then once you click on humanize, automatically humanizes it for you down. Copy the humanized text, okay? And then you can send it to the clients. This is one of the most beginner-friendly writing websites that anybody who is just starting out, you are starting your writing career, you should come here and then see if there's an opportunity for you, because it's less competitive than the other ones that I'm going to mention here. So you want to make sure you pay careful attention to this. Right now, what you want to do is just you come down to this platform. The name is Textbroker. You come down to this page and then you register. Now to register, it's simple. Just click on this that says free auto registration. Click on it. When you click on it, it will take you down to the auto registration page where you would need to follow the guidelines here. A client to order content or an author to earn money. So you click on an author to earn money. So sign me up as an author, and then it will take you down to the next page where you would need to complete the auto registration. Take your time to fill out this. Now remember, when you are filling out this, you need to get an article ready because they would ask you for an article to audition. So get an article ready and possibly put it in a PDF or use Google Doc to just get an article ready because they are going to ask for it. And after you sign up, just look at your email, this email address here that you put in here. Make sure that you are always looking at it because they're going to send you an information, either a reply or something else. Just make sure that you always look at this email so that you don't get late. If someone ever paid you to write on any topic of your choice, what will it be? Technology, finance, lifestyle, health? Put it in the comment section. Let me know what niche that interests you the most. Verblio is one that hires business writers. So if you are the type that love to write about business, then this is a platform for you to look at. Now, just come down to the page and then just go ahead and register. But before you register, it's important you go through the website carefully and know their terms and conditions. Okay, it's very important. Now, after you are done, you can just come here and then click here. Now, if you click on this menu at the top, you would see a place that says join our writing team. Now, when you click on join our writing team, it brings you down to a page like this. Then you would be able to know how to register. And another thing also is that you can also get certified here on this website as a writer. That is it. You can also get certified here. You can get certified as well. That means once your articles are good and they approve it, they certify you, and that will give you the chance to get more writing gigs out there with that kind of certificate. To me, this is one of the best writing platform. This number 4. It's something that I want to actually look at. If you're still watching to this point, congratulations. That means you are actually serious about your AI remote job. And I'm going to give you a gift now. What you want to put in the comment section, just write remote job. Once I see remote job from you, I'm going to send you the link to download the gift that is going to help you. Now, that gift is majorly about prompts that is going to help you in your AI job career applications. Because if you don't apply the right way, companies will not hire you. They won't invite you for interviews. But this particular prompt is going to help you come up with a cover letter that is going to be so persuasive that employers will hardly turn it down. This one connects businesses with freelance writer. Now that means you're going to be working based on gigs. You're not going to be working for a company. Rather, you have that freedom. You have that time to fix your own income. The other websites that we talked about, they fix income for you. But here, you fix your own income as much as you can write. You also be able to fix it. You can write about businesses, finance here. Now, the name of this platform is Compose LY, compose.ly. So I'm going to just click on, when you come down here, click on apply to be a writer. By the way, the links to all of these websites are going to be in the comment section. So just check the comment section, you would see them, and then you can be able to apply. So when you click on apply to be a writer, it will then take you down to, you're going to see 3 different things that you need to do here. You sign up. The second thing is you create profile and then you select the job you want. So, and then the last one is you submit your work, and of course, you know what follows, right? So that's how it works. So go ahead and apply for this one here. Click on here and then apply. Compose LY. The last one on the list is Contently. So here you build content for brands. You can also write about technology, finance, business, health, lifestyle. I mean, a whole lot of niches that you can write for. You can write about here on Contently. Now take your time, go through the web page of all of these websites. Okay, go through the web page and then be able to select the one you will do. Now, this is a tip I'll give you. First of all, let me show you how to sign up on Contently. Click on this menu at the top right. Now you would see a place that says, okay, just scroll down here. you'll see a place that says book a content strategy call, sign in. Now, if you click on this sign in here, you'll be able to see a place that would ask you to sign up. Then you can sign up as a writer. Okay, you can sign up as a writer. You're going to see a place that says get started. Okay, not account yet, get started. When you click on get started, then it will ask you to sign up an account so that you can be able to start up this content writing gigs on Contently. Now, a tip I'm going to give you is apply to all of these 5 websites that we have mentioned, because the more website you apply, the higher your chances of getting accepted. Okay, one website may not actually give you what you need, so you need to apply to all and hoping that one out of these 5 will respond to you. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. I believe I was able to add value to you. If so, please hit the thumbs up button on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification and share with anybody who is interested in content writing business.